In this video, I will explain how to set up your task list so that when a phase is completed, it'll automatically change the phase of the project. So here I have a really simple project plan where each summary is a phase: initiation, planning, execution, monitor, and closure. And if I go to the overview, you'll see that I'm in initiation phase right now. Nothing's been done. And I've already set this up, but there is a column called phase at completion, which makes it really easy to set this up. And what that means is when this task is marked complete, then the phase at the completion of this summary of everything in here will switch to planning. So when planning is over, we'll switch to execution. When execution's over, we'll switch to monitor. When monitor is over, we'll switch it to closure. This can be on a summary or a regular task. It doesn't make a difference. But what you'll see here, and in fact, you can also include milestones here. I recommend if you're doing this, you're going to be using milestones and phases. So once the work is done, meaning this task is marked complete, again, I'll show that this task right now is in the initiation phase. That's what's showing on the dashboard and on the overview screen. But as soon as I mark this done, so this is all the tasks in here. It can be many tasks, but I just made it one task for this demonstration. So now initiation phase is done. Then if I will go back to the overview, we are now in planning phase. And so similarly, the same thing when this happens here, first task is done. I'm in progress right now. I'm not done with this whole thing. So we're still in planning phase. But as soon as I finish the final task in here and mark that done, now the planning phase is complete. We are in execution phase. So the project will automatically switch to execution phase. So that's how you can set this all up. If you don't want to add this column here, you can also do this on the full add edit form under the advanced tab. There's this field called project phase at completion. You'll switch that there. And all you need to do is do this on your template one time. And then from then on, you don't have to set this up ever again. If you're making your projects from your templates, this will just be set up already automatically, and your project will have that automation built in right out of the gate, out of the box.